Greetings everyone. So I'm in this holy place called Sridhar Mayapur, and I got away here from Switzerland to be able to water the plants in the garden of my heart. So to nourish the inner garden, I'll give you a quick view around this beautiful place called Sridhar Mayapur. And and I was thinking about nurturing the inner garden, and that's why I ended up here. And it's really about harnessing the power that lies within us through introspection, through reflections. And I really hope that I can invite you to join us. If you see there's a lot of background noise that's around here, and sometimes in our lives also we have the inner voice, but then there are so many other sounds and voices that may fade our inner voice. But it's so important to be in loop, and it's so important to be in touch with ourselves. And that's something we would be extensively discussing on nurturing the inner garden. So please come join us. It's on Jan 18th, it's a Saturday, from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. You will also see there is a nominal fee of 20 francs, which actually entirely goes to Krishna Temple Zürich and College of Vedic Studies to further fund the educational infrastructure thereupon. So please join us on January 18th, Saturday, from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. at Krishna Temple Zürich, and let's explore how to nurture our inner garden.